Video content is no longer a luxury for businesses and creators. It is an absolute necessity. But the traditional video creation process is slow, expensive, and requires a massive learning curve. That is exactly the problem Zebracat AI solves. Zebracat is an all-in-one AI video generation platform designed for marketers, agency owners, and content creators who need to produce high-converting professional videos at scale without needing a background in complex video editing software. Whether you are building faceless YouTube channels, running TikTok ad campaigns, or creating educational content, this tool centralizes script writing, voiceovers, stock footage sourcing, and editing into one single workflow. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through the entire interface, share advanced design tricks to make your videos stand out, and explain why this specific workflow is replacing traditional editing software for so many creators. Before we get started, if you haven't signed for Zebracat yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. Let's get started. Right away, looking at the main interface, you will notice that everything is purposefully streamlined. If you've ever opened up traditional editing software, like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or DaVinci Resolve, you know that feeling of instant overwhelm. You are immediately hit with massive, complex timelines, hundreds of nested toolbars, confusing media bins, and audio mixing panels. For a professional feature film editor, those tools are necessary. But for a content creator, a marketer, or an agency owner who just needs to get a high-performing video out today, it is complete overkill. Zebracat completely flips that traditional model. It focuses on a top-down, linear workflow. As I hover over the menu at the top here, you can see how it guides you logically through the process, from your home dashboard, to your projects, to your templates. It keeps your workspace completely clutter-free so you can focus purely on the marketing message of your video, rather than fighting with a complicated software interface. Before we actually click in and start building our first project, let's talk about the strategy here and why so many top-tier creators are shifting their entire production pipeline to Zebracat. Let's look at the standard AI video workflow most people are currently using. Usually, you have to log into a text-based AI just to generate your script. Then, you copy that text, open up a completely separate AI voice generator, paste it in, and tweak the settings. Then, you download those audio files to your hard drive. Next, you drag them into that heavy video editor we just talked about. And finally, you spend hours hunting across multiple, expensive stock footage websites just to find royalty-free clips that hopefully match your audio. Not only is that process incredibly expensive because you are paying for 4 or 5 different monthly subscriptions, but it causes massive context switching fatigue. Context switching is the biggest hidden cost in content creation. Every time you switch apps, download a file, or change screens, you lose momentum and you waste time. Zebracat eliminates this completely by handling all 4 of those pillars: script writing, ultra-realistic voiceover generation, timeline editing, and stock footage sourcing, simultaneously within this one, unified dashboard. You never have to leave this screen. Because of this, you can test different video hooks, different angles, and different marketing styles in a matter of minutes instead of days. In today's digital landscape, the ability to test content rapidly is how you win. To start our project and see this engine in action, we are going to navigate to the top right and initiate a new video. If you are following along and want to build this with me, you can do this right now using the link in the description to open up your own Zebracat dashboard. We are going to start with the absolute core engine of Zebracat, the text-to-video feature. This is the command center where we feed the AI our core concept and let it do the heavy lifting. If you have ever used tools like ChatGPT, you already know that the output you get from an AI is only as good as the context you provide. But creating a video prompt is very different from writing a blog post prompt. Here is a major design tip when working with video AI. Instead of just typing something vague like, make a video about productivity, you need to build a structured prompt. We want to give the AI 4 specific parameters: a clear topic, a target audience, a desired tone, and a specific length. For this tutorial, I am going to type this in slowly so you can see the structure. I am inputting: create a fast-paced, 30-second educational video about one daily habit to increase focus. The target audience is busy professionals. The tone should be authoritative, but encouraging. Let's break down why I chose those exact words. First, the 30-second runtime. If you are just starting out and testing the waters, 30 seconds is the absolute sweet spot for short-form content. It is long enough to deliver a punchy, valuable tip, but short enough that it forces you to cut the fluff. In modern marketing, delivering pure value without wasting time is what drastically increases your audience retention rate. Second, by explicitly stating that our audience is busy professionals and the tone is authoritative, we are telling Zebracat's engine exactly what kind of vocabulary to use in the script, and more importantly, what kind of visual aesthetic to pull from its library. We want sleek, corporate, high-end visuals, not cartoonish or overly casual ones. Now, let's watch the AI go to work. It has taken our single sentence and generated a complete script. But notice how it is structured. One of the main reasons Zebracat stands out from basic text generators is this modular approach. It doesn't just hand you a massive wall of text that you have to figure out how to pace. It segments the script into very specific, timed scenes. This is incredibly crucial for audience psychology. In today's hyper-fast social media environment, a viewer will get bored if they look at the exact same clip for too long. You generally need a visual change, a new scene, every 3 to 4 seconds. Zebracat builds that pacing directly into the foundation of the script for you. Take a moment to read through what it gave us. The structure is usually very logical. A strong opening, the core educational value in the middle, and a call to action at the end. But as creators, we never just blindly accept the first draft. We always want to optimize. Let's look right here at scene 1, the hook. The first 3 seconds of your video dictate the success or failure of the entire piece. If your viewer isn't instantly captivated, they will swipe away and the algorithm will bury your video. If the AI-generated hook feels even a little bit weak or generic, you can simply click directly into the text box and rewrite it. We want what marketers call a pattern interrupt, a statement that makes the viewer stop in their tracks. Instead of a soft opening like, "Here is a tip for busy people," I am going to tweak this first sentence to be slightly more aggressive and direct. Let's change it to, "If you are checking your email before 9 a.m., you are destroying your daily focus." By making that one small manual adjustment to the AI's foundation, we instantly grab the viewer's attention and give them a reason to stay for the remaining 27 seconds. Next, we move into the voiceover generation, which is arguably the most critical phase of this entire process. There is a golden rule in video production. Audio quality is far more important than video quality. A viewer will happily sit through slightly basic, grainy, or lower resolution footage if the information is valuable. But if the audio is robotic, grating, or lacks emotion, they will instantly swipe away. Bad audio breaks the connection with your audience. In the past, text-to-speech software sounded incredibly artificial, but Zebracat has integrated a built-in library of highly natural standard AI voices that completely eliminate that robotic feel. Let's take our time here and preview a few of the options available to us. I want you to pay close attention to the inflection and the natural breathing patterns of these voices. Notice the pacing and the subtle emotional shifts in those samples. When selecting a voice, you cannot just pick the first one on the list. You have to match the voice to your specific brand persona and the target audience you defined in your prompt. For example, if we were making a high-intensity fitness video, we would choose a voice that speaks rapidly with a lot of aggressive energy. However, since our prompt was designed for busy professionals looking for focus habits, we need a voice that commands respect. We are looking for something crisp, grounded, authoritative, and mildly encouraging. Now here is an advanced pro tip for working with AI voiceovers. Do not just set it and forget it. You are the director, and you need to direct the AI. First, listen carefully to how the AI pronounces specific industry terms or unique brand names. If it struggles with a complex word, you do not need to settle for a bad take. You can simply go back into the script editor and spell the word phonetically. By spelling it exactly how it sounds rather than how it is actually written, you force the AI to pronounce it flawlessly. This is a massive time saver compared to the old days of having to re-record audio in a vocal booth. Second, use punctuation to control the pacing. AI voices read punctuation literally. If the voice is speaking too fast and rushing through an important point, go into the script and add a comma to force a brief pause, or add a period to force a hard stop and a breath. If you want the voice's pitch to go up at the end of a sentence to create curiosity, make sure you use a question mark. By manipulating the text, you manipulate the emotion of the audio. Once you have your pronunciation and pacing locked in, we are ready to move on to the visual timeline. Once our script and our audio pacing are perfectly locked in, we move to the scene generation step. This is where Zebracat's AI engine analyzes the context of our words and matches them to relevant visuals from its massive, integrated stock library. Honestly, this is where the real magic of this platform happens. Let's take a look at the timeline it just constructed for us at the bottom of the screen. Think about the amount of heavy lifting the software just did in a matter of seconds. It automatically laid down our voiceover track, perfectly aligned and timed the generated captions to match the spoken words, and placed high-quality B-roll clips that fit the context of each specific scene. If you were doing this manually in Premiere Pro or Final Cut, you would easily spend the first 30 to 45 minutes of your session just dragging files into a media bin, syncing the audio waveforms, and blocking out your base timeline. Zebracat handles that entire foundational assembly for you instantly. However, as I always say, we do not just blindly accept the AI's first draft. We always want to put on our creative editor's hat. AI is incredibly smart at matching literal words to literal pictures, but as marketers, our job is to match emotion to pictures. Let's scrub through and look closely at Scene 2. The script here is talking about intense daily focus. The stock footage Zebracat automatically pulled is okay. It's a wide shot of a standard corporate office. But a wide shot doesn't really convey the emotional intensity of focus. It feels a bit too distant and generic. We want the viewer to actually feel the urgency and the concentration of the topic. To fix this, I am going to open the integrated media library right here within the interface. Now I want you to think about the traditional video editing workflow for a second. Normally, to fix a bad clip, you would have to minimize your editing software, open up your web browser, log into an expensive separate stock footage website, Search for a clip, download a massive file to your hard drive, import it into your software's media bin, and then drag it onto your timeline just to see if it even looks good. And if you don't like it, you have to repeat that entire miserable process. With Zebracat, I bypass all of that friction. I don't need to leave the app. I don't need a third-party subscription. I just search directly within this side panel. Instead of a wide office shot, let's search for something much more specific. I am going to type in "typing fast on laptop close-up." As I hover over these search results, you can see how I can preview them instantly without downloading anything. This clip right here is perfect. It has a tight, shallow depth of field that blurs the background and forces your eye right onto the action. Watch how few clicks this takes to fix our scene. I select the clip, hit replace, and we are completely done. The software instantly swaps the clip, scales it perfectly to fit our vertical mobile canvas, and automatically trims it to match the exact millisecond length needed for the audio in Scene 2. See how seamless that replacement was? This completely frictionless workflow is exactly why so many digital agencies and high-volume creators are moving away from traditional editors for their social media content. When you eliminate the friction of hunting for digital assets and managing downloads, your speed of iteration becomes unmatched. And on modern platforms, the creator who can iterate, test, and publish the fastest is the one who dominates the niche. Now let's talk about the most critical visual element for social media: the captions. Over 70% of social media users watch videos on mobile, often with the sound off or at low volume. Dynamic captions are non-negotiable. Zebracat automatically generates and times these captions perfectly, but we want to customize the design to maximize readability. When styling captions, contrast is your best friend. You never want white text blending into a bright background. I highly recommend using a bold sans serif font. We are going to add a heavy drop shadow or background block to the text. This ensures that no matter what B-roll is playing behind it, the text pops. Next, let's look at placement. Never put your captions at the very bottom of the screen. On platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, the bottom 20% of the screen is covered by the user interface. If your captions are down there, they will be completely unreadable. We are going to drag our captions to the center of the screen, just slightly below eye level. We are now ready to finalize this project. Let's head up to the Export menu. For this project, we are going to export in 720p. This is an incredibly optimized resolution for quick social media testing and allows us to get our content out into the world instantly. I'll hit Export, and Zebracat will render the final file in the cloud, meaning it's not draining my computer's processing power. This workflow, from prompt to script to voice to B-roll to dynamic captions, is why this tool is such an incredible asset for anyone looking to scale their digital presence. You eliminate the friction of technical editing and get to focus entirely on the strategy and the messaging of your content. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Make sure to click that exact link to sign up and start generating your own videos today. I would love to hear what kind of projects you plan on building with this software. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what niche you are creating content for, and if you have any questions about the advanced features we covered today, drop them in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and start creating.